Need an easy lunch? Here are 5 easy microwave lunches. 5 minutes to prepare. Hi, I'm Natchan, a working mom in Japan. Today I'm sharing 5 easy microwave lunches. The shopping list is also in the description box. Let's get started. Day 1. Teriyaki rice bowl. Ingredient: cut the green onion. Set it aside. Add rice to a bowl. Top with seaweed. Add canned yakitori. Top with green onion. Add mayonnaise and shichimi to taste. Done! Sweet and tasty. Kids will love it with rice. Day 2. Yakisoba. Ingredients: add frozen yakisoba noodles to a microwave-safe dish. Top with your favorite vegetables and meat. Today I'm using bean sprouts, frozen spinach, and sausage. Cut the sausage with kitchen scissors. It's so easy. If you have yakisoba sauce, add it now. I don't have any today, so I'm using salt and pepper and a little sesame oil. Cover with plastic wrap. If you are not eating it right away, store it in the fridge. When you're ready to eat, microwave with the wrap on. Microwave it until fully cooked. Mix well and taste it. Add more salt, pepper, or your favorite sauce. Done! Enjoy your meal. Day 3. Rice Pilaf. Ingredients: add rice to a microwave-safe container. Cold rice is fine. Top with sliced sausage. Add mixed vegetables. Add 5 or 10 grams of butter. Add half teaspoon of chicken bouillon or adjust to taste. Cover with plastic wrap. If you are not eating right away, store it in the fridge. When you're ready to eat, microwave until hot. Mix well and done. A little black pepper is also delicious. Day 4. Omurice. Ingredients: add rice to microwave-safe container. About 1 tablespoon of ketchup and half teaspoon of chicken bouillon and mix well. Adjust the flavor to your taste. Add your favorite toppings. Today I'm using sausage and frozen spinach. Cook harder to cook ingredients first. Top with sliced cheese or shredded cheese. If you are not eating it right away, cover and store it in the fridge. When you're ready to eat, remove the wrap. Pour beaten egg over the rice and cheese. Cover and microwave until the egg is cooked. Top with ketchup if you like. You can use any ingredients you like. Day 5. Natto Udon. Ingredients below. Finely chop the green onion. If you are not eating right away, cover and store it in the fridge. When you're ready to eat, add the udon to a microwave-safe dish. Microwave according to the package direction. Meanwhile, mix natto with the sauce and mustard. When the udon is hot, add mentsuyu. Top with green onion. Add the natto. Mix well and done. Top with seaweed if you like. How did you like these 5 easy lunches? In Japan, summer vacation for kids is usually around July and August and lasts about a month. During the school year, kids have school lunch, so parents don't have to worry about lunch. But during summer vacation, parents have to think about lunch every day. I made these recipes to help busy parents during the summer break. And even if your summer vacation is different, I hope you can enjoy these easy recipes for lunch anytime. I would love to hear what you think. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.